I'm really glad to you all have here for this state credit seminar to launch the state focus paper for the year 26-27. Sir, I'll start on some good news for Tripura. Means we are improving day by day, and last few years we have been seeing the growth in per capita income for Tripura as well. And last year we have reached almost 1,96,000 rupees per year. That is the thing that we have achieved in the last few years, and that is a growth which we are expecting, and there is much larger growth which is expected. So how do we go from here, sir? As I see, means our GSDP for 25-26 is projected at 1,195 crores. Then 24-25 we recorded growth of about 12.9% in GSDP, and then our per capita income has increased. However, when we speak about the total economic scenario for the state, as India, we compare with India figures, we are still a predominantly agricultural state, because our almost 38 to 40% of the GDP comes from agriculture, whereas this figure is almost 16 to 18% for the rest of the countries. India, if we take the manufacturing part or industries, it is only 9 to 15% of the total SDP, and as usual the services sector is growing faster, then it is almost at 45 to 50%. But our main focus for the state of Tripura, we were also discussing with Ramteke Saab, we need to focus basically on the agriculture and allied sector in the state. सबसे पहले तो मैं दो तीन चीज़ें और कहना चाहूँगा सर। हमारे जो रॉय साहब हैं तो उनको अभी he has been nominated to the board of NABARD. So first of all, I sir welcome to the board, sir. First an important thing. So with his since he is looking after the finance of state also, and he will be on the NABARD, so that will be, I suppose, a great coordination, and we look forward to both as a consultant to NABARD and as a guiding principle to the state of Tripura. So we can move forward in a great thing. Then I also should congratulate Chairman DGB. He has received 2 awards this year. Scoch Award, which is one of the honorable awards in the state, in the country rather, and DGB, a big applause for him also. I definitely look forward that DGB moves ahead and other banks also take some guidance from him, and we can move ahead in that. Then TRLM also is making great moves in the state, and our SHG Didis, sir, today one national workshop is going on in New Delhi, and one of our Lakpati Didi has been invited from Tripura. She is going to share her experiences in Delhi. The seminar is on in New Delhi. So one lady, Aruna Dev Parma, Lakpati Didi, she is guiding the seminar in Delhi. So many things are happening, and so many things are going on. And we also have our RBI here. So as usual, they are guiding us, our guiding principle, and everything is happening. And our coordinator Rituraj is also here. So SLBC is the guiding motivator, and everything is happening with his support from them. Sir, मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा, as a NABARD we are doing some few things. हम ये देख रहे हैं कि त्रिपुरा में agricultural allied activities, which is my focus, always I am saying on these things. So we have to focus. हम नया कुछ कर रहे हैं. What we are doing, हम ये देख रहे हैं कि livelihood के लिए जो generation है, that has to happen. So this year we have started some activities. I don't know whether Advait is here. Advait, you are here, but our other team is here. We started one experiment, sir. We have owned one entire village. Other day I was telling you also, one cluster we have selected, and we have 75 families we have taken for a cluster development, and entire village, all 75 families, we are giving a piggeries cluster, and that will develop into a model, business model. So after 6 months they will be selling those pigs, they will be given the new piglets, and this business will continue. Then we have started one more experiment in Kumarghat, wherein we are doing it for the first time in Tripura. We are doing some precision farming. we have tied up with agency called MapMyCrop. MapMyCrop is a geo satellite company which is monitoring everything through satellite. So what will happen from start, from soil testing up to the harvesting, entire thing will be cropped on the satellite. So all 50 hectares of land we have mapped, and 50 hectares what we will be doing, we'll start with the soil testing first, means whichever it is through geo satellite only, and these things, and therein we will be growing baby corn. And this baby corn, there is an industry in Kumarghat, they will be buying out all the baby corn which is produced in 60 or 70 days, and this will be packed. It is already export oriented unit, and this cycle will continue for 2-3 cycles. And this way we will be developing a business cycle for these 50 hectares of land, which will be replicated for our other FPO members. So that way, one livelihood activities, this is what type of clusters we are trying to develop. And then we have started, again I would like to congratulate TGB and PNB because we have selected dairy sector in Udaipur, and about 200 farmers we have given the dairy loans, and these are going to multiply because as we see, again as an economic activity, I am always telling that Agartala requires about 15,000 liters of milk which is being given by the Amul. So why can't our farmers produce it and we can give it to others? So such type of activities we have started, and these things I think we have to promote in a big way. And agri allied activities, poultry, piggery, dairy, these things will have to focus on. Unless and until these activities grow, Tripura's economy cannot grow to a big level, because we cannot bring entrepreneurs from outside to start industries or manufacturing sector here. We will have to develop our own entrepreneurs. We can great help in the MSME sector. And